How to add zip code to Vanilla Gift Card 2025 method. If you've ever tried to use a Vanilla Gift Card online and ran into a frustrating error asking for a zip code, you know how confusing it can be. Many people assume the card is broken or that it won't work at all. But the truth is there's a simple way to add or update the zip code so your card works flawlessly. In this 2025 guide, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add a zip code to your Vanilla Gift Card, explain why it's necessary, and provide tips to avoid common mistakes that most people make. First, let's understand why adding a zip code is important. Vanilla gift cards are prepaid Visa, MasterCard, or American Express cards. Unlike debit or credit cards linked to a bank account, these cards don't automatically carry your billing address. When you use the card for online purchases, many merchants use an address verification system, or AVS, to confirm that the zip code matches what's on file with the card issuer. If it doesn't match or isn't registered, your transaction could be declined. This is why updating or adding a zip code is crucial for online and recurring payments. Step 1. Locate your card information. Before you start, make sure you have your Vanilla Gift Card handy. You'll need the card number, 16 digits, expiration date, CVV or security code, usually on the back. Some cards also allow you to register a zip code directly on the packaging or the card itself, but most require an online registration. Step 2. Go to the Vanilla Gift Card website. The official website for Vanilla Gift Cards is vanillagift.com. Once there, look for the option that says register card or manage card. The website layout may change slightly in 2025, but these options are usually clearly visible on the homepage. When you select register card, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Accuracy is key here. Even a single incorrect digit can prevent you from completing the registration. Step 3. Enter your zip code. Once your card information is verified, you will see a field to add your zip code. This is your billing zip code which can be your home address or the address you want associated with the card. Enter your zip code carefully. A common mistake is entering a zip code that doesn't match the format expected by the system. For example, if your zip code is 12,345-6,789, just enter the first 5 digits unless the system specifically asks for the full 9-digit code. Most online merchants only verify the first 5 digits. Step 4. Confirm your registration. After entering the zip code, click Submit or Register. The website will process your request and confirm that your card is now linked to the zip code. Some cards may require you to log in or create a profile to complete this step, especially if you want to track your balance and transactions. Step 5. Test your card. Now that your zip code is registered, it's a good idea to test your card with a small purchase. Try buying something inexpensive online like a $1 digital item or subscription to confirm that your zip code registration works. If it goes through, your card is fully ready for online shopping. Step 6. Using the card at online merchants. When shopping online, always enter your registered zip code in the billing address section. Even if the merchant doesn't ask for a full address, entering your zip code correctly ensures that the transaction passes the AVS check. For recurring subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon, make sure your card is registered with a zip code before signing up. Otherwise, your recurring payments might fail, and you could risk losing access to services. Common issues and troubleshooting. Even after registering your zip code, some people encounter problems. Here are the most common issues and solutions. 1. Decline transactions. Double check that the zip code matches exactly what you registered. Even one incorrect digit can cause a decline. 2. Merchant doesn't accept prepaid cards. Some online merchants do not accept prepaid cards. If this happens, try a different retailer or consider linking your Vanilla card to a PayPal account for broader acceptance. 3. Expired card or insufficient balance. Make sure your card is active and has enough funds for the purchase. Many people forget to check their balance before attempting a transaction. 4. Full address requirement : some merchants may require a full billing address. You can sometimes enter your zip code along with a generic street address like 123 Main Street to satisfy the requirement. Tips to maximize your vanilla gift card use: keep track of your balance: always check your remaining balance online. Vanilla gift cards don't automatically notify you when funds are low. Use for specific online purchases: prepaid cards like vanilla are ideal for subscriptions, small online purchases, and gift giving. Avoid splitting payments: many online stores don't allow partial payments with a prepaid card. Make sure the card has enough funds to cover the full purchase. Register immediately after activation: this prevents AVS declines and ensures your card is ready to use wherever you shop. Consider using with PayPal: linking your vanilla card to PayPal allows you to use it at merchants that might not accept prepaid cards directly. Why most people get this wrong: many users fail to register their zip code or assume that the card will work automatically. The surprising truth is that even though a card is active, online transactions can fail if the zip code isn't registered. Another common mistake is trying to enter a zip code at the checkout without registering it on the vanilla website first. This almost always results in a declined transaction, causing unnecessary frustration. Conclusion: adding a zip code to your vanilla gift card in 2025 is straightforward but essential for smooth online transactions. By following these steps: locating your card information, visiting the official website, entering your zip code correctly, and testing the card, you ensure that your card works seamlessly for online shopping and recurring payments. Remember to keep your balance in check, register immediately after activation, and use your card wisely to avoid common pitfalls. With your zip code properly registered, your vanilla gift card becomes a convenient, hassle-free payment method for online purchases, subscriptions, and small business expenses. No more declined transactions, no more guesswork, just smooth, reliable spending whenever and wherever you need it.